Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout. This is the 25th, so I did them between the weekend and then this past week. And then this is going to be my last week off. I go back to work. Kids go back 3 weeks after me, so I'm like, what am I going to do for 3 weeks with no kids? But anyway, so my background is basil cardstock. And that aqua 8 pattern is Jen Hadfield's Hey Hello. Here we see. I'm going to use that pink pattern, which is Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story. And I'm going to use this yellow and pink striped layer paper. And that one, I don't think I had the branding strip for that one, and if I do, I have given it to the garbage man. But let me see if I can tell, because, let me see. Well, let me see. So it's on this side. No, it's not gonna say. I can look back and get it. That's all you're gonna eat, Patton? Yeah, that's the pattern I use. Oh, that's gonna be Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story as well. Yeah, Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story. And this is a friend of my friend's bought tickets for my friend and her 3 kids to go to SeaWorld. So, and the floral pattern that I'm going to use to cut a circle is Cartavella's Summer Market. My husband should be getting up and coming out here pretty soon, because he has to work. He said he'd work today, which is too bad because I really need him to have at least 2 days off so he can fix the lawnmower tires that he ran over something and made them go flat, because our lawn needs to be mowed. And then that black and white washi tape is just from my stash. I think that actually did come in a kit from long ago. Many, many months ago. Oh man, I'm missing the label. Alright, so World is American Crafts Sweet Pea Thickers, Of is Pink Fresh Studio Super Cool, and Discoveries is American Crafts Picnic Thickers. And that was what I used for my title there. And Yay is American Crafts Hello Thickers. The stickers that I use are Jen Hatfield, and the chipboard stickers that you see I'm using, I'm just peeling so they're lay flat, like the air balloon stickers. And there's a floral sticker I used, chipboard sticker I think I used. I wanted to use this one, but I don't because the swans are at. Oh, maybe I did right there. Never mind. Anyway, so the Jen Hatfield stickers are from a past kit, February or March. I think March. And the chipboard stickers are Making Home Sweet Story. This current kit, which is April's kit it came in, because I'm working on May now. Just did my first layout for May. This is my 7th layout. With April, I get 10 layouts out of it. Because I have 5 videos that I'm going to edit, voiceovers, and upload, and then I'm caught up on my videos. I have to do more layouts to get more videos. So I gotta contact my principal, because if I'm going, usually I can get my friend to watch Mateo for me for the one week that I go back, and then he goes back the next week. But now they're gonna do trainings for the next 3 weeks. That's all we're gonna do. And because my principal called me and asked if I do the online learning from my classroom, and the kids learn from the computers, of course, at home. And so any parents who's chose online learning for their child coming into 1st grade, I'll be their teacher. Which I told my principal I'm up for that challenge. I'm not gonna say no. Even though I was expecting to have kids in my room. Told him I'm not going to say no, I'm up for the challenge, but I'm a little nervous because the distance learning that we did not go so well. Hardly any kids participated. Actually did the work, so we'll see. But anyway, that completes my layout, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.